Here are some tips for replacing a rear bumper of a 2014 Dodge Journey. Three buttons are located at the edge of the rear fender. Push the center of the knob to disengage the knob and remove with long-nosed pliers. Open the back door to find 10 buttons that hold the shell to the body. The first 2 and last 2 buttons are the same as those of the fender. The other 4 buttons in the center are of another type. For the removal of the 4 central buttons, the use of a fork screwdriver facilitates the removal of the barrel of the button. The use of a 7mm socket is necessary for the removal of the 2 bolts that hold the bumper to the body. The bolts are under the false fender. For assembly, position the shell so that it is in line with the holes in the body. Put the 4 central buttons, then place the other 4 buttons. Install the 2 bolts in the false fender, and replace the false fender and put the 3 buttons for a hold with the bumper, the false fender and the bodywork.